Why you not going this another country if you want to practice this English? There are too much people talk to English. You practice too good after starting, you know?
Yeah, but in my country, my family and my parents also don't want
Why?
to I
Why?
other country. I don't know. And also I have a job. They pay a good, a handsome salary for me. So that's why. But I want to visit other country for traveling. I want to visit some European countries.
Yeah, of course. You visit this another country after your English good coming.
Yeah, I I need to practice a good partner. Can you give me a follow? I already did it.
Okay, you also follow me.
Yeah, I already did it. We talk here if you want sometime when you are free.
I'm not every day here sitting because I have work, that's why.
So how many kids do you have?
Kids? No, I'm not married, never.
You are not married?
No. I don't have plans now. Maybe I thinking maybe after 5 years, maybe 10 years. I don't know. Maybe.
Why? Sorry to say that. How old are you?
22.
22. Okay, that's great. You have enough time to get married.
Yeah, of course. That's why I told you maybe after 5 years, after maybe
Yeah,
6, maybe
it's
10 years.
great. If you want to marry, what kind of person you like for your life partner? Who is quality available on this person?
Maybe I thinking a doctor. I want a doctor, engineer, this like working.
Oh, you choose a doctor or engineer.
Yeah, because I'm also a doctor, because I'm a student now. That's why I told you this. I want a doctor also. Like, this is a good job. That's why.
Okay. Your study is so hard because you want to be a doctor, also you are studying. So, how?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, yeah. After 3 years, my this university this I finish it.
Then you will be a doctor, professional doctor.
Yeah,
That's great. What kind of doctor you are when you finish your study?
this is brush like that.
Oh, teeth.
Teeth. Yeah.
Can you suggest me? My teeth also not very good. How can?
Yeah, they're also here little. That's why you can go this.
Yeah, give me some tips.
You talk to there. What happened for you? Like you show there.
You are a beautiful. What is the secret? Your beauty secret.
I don't have secrets. Why? I don't have secrets.
You don't.
I don't know why. No. But I'm only put it my face cream like that.
Only face cream.
Cream, yeah.
You
Little
don't.
lipstick.
You don't.
Little lipstick.
Okay. You don't use any night cream.
This is Korean, This Korean.
What is the name?
I will show you later because they're sleeping my sister. That's why I don't want to show you.
Okay.